Take a gentle breath in and slowly let it go. Your health is a powerful gift. These affirmations will help you connect with your body, mind, and spirit. Let go of tension and create space for healing and strength. Let's begin. My body is strong and full of vitality. I honor my body with love and care. Health flows easily into my life. I am grateful for my body's strength. I trust my body's healing process. Every cell in my body radiates health. I choose health every day. My body is in perfect balance. My body welcomes deep and gentle healing. I am aligned with vibrant health. I nourish my body with love and respect. I release all tension and embrace health. My body is capable of full healing. I trust my body's ability to thrive. I welcome health into every part of me. I am worthy of perfect health. I choose to feel healthy and strong. My health improves with every breath. I release stress and welcome vitality. I am thankful for my body's resilience. My energy flows in a steady, healthy way. I embrace each moment of healing. I grow stronger and healthier every day. I trust that my body knows what it needs. I honor my body by giving it what it needs. I attract healing energy every day. I welcome positive changes to my health. My body and mind are in perfect harmony. I am open to receiving healing energy. I radiate vibrant health and inner peace. My body is a powerful force of health. I trust the process of healing in my body. I am grateful for the healing happening now. Every day, I grow healthier and stronger. I am worthy of vibrant health. I believe in my body's ability to heal. I choose to focus on my health today. I am grateful for my body's vitality. My body is a reflection of my health. I release all fears about my health. I trust in the strength of my body. I am at peace with my health. I embrace every part of my healing journey. I nourish my body with love and kindness. I trust that my body will always find balance. I am open to receiving good health. My health is a priority in my life. I am grateful for the health I experience. I let go of any negativity and welcome health. I embrace wellness in every part of me. I am at peace with my body's healing. My mind and body are aligned with health. I am worthy of good health every day. My body is capable of achieving full health. I am open to the healing energy around me. I believe in my ability to live a healthy life. I trust the process of my healing journey. I let go of any blockages to my health. I choose health and happiness every day. I radiate energy and vitality. I trust my body's wisdom to heal. My health is constantly improving. I welcome health and wellness into my life. I release all tension and feel healthy. My body is in perfect harmony with itself. I am grateful for my body's healing powers. I trust my body's ability to restore balance. I choose to honor my health today. My body is filled with vibrant energy. I welcome healing into my life. I am grateful for my body's power and energy. I embrace the journey to better health. I deserve radiant health and energy. I trust the universe to guide my health. I am open to receiving health and vitality. My health improves with each passing day. I embrace wellness and let it flow freely. I am aligned with the energy of health. I trust my body's natural healing abilities. I honor my body's healing process with love. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. Trust in your body's ability to heal and thrive. You are deserving of perfect health and wellness. Keep believing in yourself and your body's power. Every day, you are aligning with your highest health. You are whole, you are strong, and you are healing.